Indulgeo Essentials just sent me their Anti-Dandruff Scalp Tonic and it's absolute magic. If you're tired of having an itchy and dry scalp, this one's for you. The glass bottle gives a beautiful and luxurious look upon opening. The product itself is 100% certified organic. The application is simple. Step 1, shake the bottle. Step 2, spray the serum directly on damp scalp post shampoo. And step 3, spread it evenly with a wide tooth comb. Leave it on overnight for better results. With the help of amazing actives like Anti-Dandruff S and Ichthyol Pale, it fights dandruff and calms your scalp. Vastar Pink Berry minimizes scalp redness and itching, while Pentavitin locks in the moisture. Its non-oily and non-greasy nature is comfortable to be applied throughout the day. Grab yours today and enjoy the difference in just 9 uses. The product is linked in the description down below.